Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel. Apologies for the background noise, the washing machine is on, but this is the only time I've got to film this video, so it's going to have to stay that way. So today I am showing you what is in the Sparkles UK, that's not what it's called, Sparkles Supplies UK VIP box for June. So here is the list and how much everything will be. Everything in this box will go on general release on the 7th of August, and that is how much it would all cost if you were to buy it all individually. So yeah, you get all this for £12.99 if you don't use my discount code, but if you do, you get 15% off that, so you get even better value for money. So here we've got sterling, which is metallic silver shards. They are beautiful. And they are metallic as well, not holographic, which is a good thing sometimes. As much as I love hollow, it is nice to have the metallic option as well. Then we've got a pistachio pigment, which looks absolutely amazing. I'm just trying to open it without getting it everywhere. There we go, I'm in. That's what that looks like. How stunning is that actually? That is a beautiful shade. And then we've got a glitter called Rock On, which I can see why it's got that name, because it's very jazzy. I think it's all iridescent glitter, you know, which is amazing because it all obviously reflects differently and looks just amazing. And then we've got some decals here, some marble effect, as you can see. And then we've also got some, oh wow, I thought these were black when I first looked, but we've got some crystals, and the closer you look the better they get, because they're like a, I mean, look how beautiful that is. Like a plummy colour, like a, I don't know how to explain it, but they're just beautiful. They're like a plummy purpley sort of effect. And then we've got, which is amazing, I absolutely love this, mosaic foil, which as you can see is mosaic, and it's actually clear like around the different pieces. So I assume obviously you could put this on any colour that it will go with, which is fab. I love the ones with the clear background, so you can use them on anything. But yeah, that's everything you get in this box. So you get the crystals, the foil, you get a glitter, you get the silver shards, the pistachio pigment or powder or dust, whatever you want to call it, and then the marble, what are they called, decals as well. So you get a really good array of different products, and I would say that is 100% worth it, because if you look at it, all adds up to £14.31. Yeah, obviously it's less than that. It's even less than that, because it's £12.99 without the discount codes. 15% off £12.99 is not going to be a sum I'm going to be able to do in my head, but it's a bargain basically. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's a quick one, but they always are with the VIP boxes. And I'll be back soon with another video. Bye.